Want an education loan but worried about the process? We have brought you a video that explains the Vidya Lakshmi portal application process. This government platform allows you to apply for education loans and scholarships. But first, you have to register yourself on this portal before applying for an education loan. When you are creating an account on the Vidya Lakshmi portal, all you need to is to follow these 4 steps. First, registration. Second, form filling. Third, form submission. Fourth, applying for a loan. Let's understand all 4 steps in detail. First, you need to register on the Vidya Lakshmi portal. Open Google and type Vidya Lakshmi portal. Click on the first link that appears. On the home page, click on the Apply Now button. A new page will open. Fill in your details like your name, phone number and email ID and create a password. Agree to the terms and conditions by ticking the checkbox. Hit submit and your account is ready. Here's a tip. Write down your password somewhere safe. You don't want to forget it. But wait, before you can log in, you'll need to confirm your email. Check your inbox, click the confirmation link and you're good to go. Now that's your account is created. You have to fill out the application form. Go back to the Vidya Lakshmi homepage and click on login. Enter your email ID and password. Once you log in, you'll see 7 sections that need to be completed to fill in the form. This is the first section which explains the instructions that you have to follow during the form submission. In the second section, you have to fill in the details about your studies, parental income, and the course you're applying for. Once done, double check everything and click next. In the third section, enter your name, your parents or spouse's name, and other basic details. When done, hit next. The fourth section asks for your bank details like your account number, IFSC code, and the bank name. Be very careful while entering the numbers. The next section, which is the sixth section, includes your course details. Include the course name, institution, start date, and the end date. Whether you're studying in India or abroad, both options are available. Just select the right one. The sixth has an additional subsection that asks for your total cost of the course. Refer to your offer letter to make sure the numbers are accurate. When you hit the submit button, an additional section asking for the guarantor details. Usually siblings or parents are the guarantors, therefore enter their details. There's also a subsection where you'll need to add the guarantor's bank details. Double check the information before submitting. Finally, upload the required documents in the 7th section like your Aadhaar card, educational certificates, and other necessary files. Make sure the file size is less than 2 MB and in the correct format. After completing the registration and the form you have completed, almost 80% of the Vidya Lakshmi form. Now you are required to submit the form. After uploading all your documents, click next. A pop-up will appear with an acknowledgement. Click yes to confirm that all the details you've entered are correct. Once you do that, your form will be submitted. When your form is submitted, you are required to apply for a loan. In the Apply for the Education Loan section, you can see the list of the education loans provided by the banks. You can use the filters on the left side of the screen to find a loan that fits your needs. Select the loan you want and follow the instructions to apply. Does that sound like a lot of work? Take it easy. With GyanDhan, you can skip the paperwork, branch visits and confusion. Just click the link in the description to check your eligibility. We'll handle the rest from document submission to branch visits. And the best part, it's free. That's it for the video. Now you know how to use the Vidya Lakshmi portal step by step. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips on managing your education loan journey. Thanks for watching and good luck with your application. See you in the next video.